Now what though?
I just wanted the Bad Boys song.
I have not.
No.
No. I've changed spark plugs on a 2006 Monte Carlo.
One time we changed my taillight.
No, unless vacuuming counts. Every 6 months? No, is it by miles? Every 10,000? 5,000 miles.
Is it every 6 months? Is that a thing? But people don't. It's like every not a year.
Every 5,000 miles. They seem really small.
No, I really feel like I'm on the casting couch.
Get like a money shot of oil spraying her in the face with like a Brazzers logo on it.
Okay. My hands are too big. Okay. Should I have worn closed-toed shoes? Because I didn't.
We don't have like safety regulations here.
Okay.
These are pretty cute overalls.
2 pairs of balls.
2 pairs of balls.
You're double covered all.
I'm double covered overall.
Overall, she's double covered. Oh,
Yeah, put on the thing.
Oh. Yeah. I thought you were gonna walk me through this. I imagine I should open whatever I put the oil in. So there's a zip tie here. You want me to cut the zip tie? That is something. This is it, I think. I think that. It says full and low, and that's not gas. It'd be bigger.
Oil goes in the motor.
This thing.
There you go.
Oh, it's hot. Should it be hot?
I have to jack it up by myself?
We can help.
Okay.
Pop the hood.
That's
There you
actually
go.
Ah!
damn. Making progress here.
Spicy in here. So it's jacked. Now I gotta get the oil out. But how do I get it out?
I have no idea. I don't go under the car, do I?
Crawl under there
Correct. To do what?
to look for something that fits in this.
That's true.
Oh god, what an unflattering angle.
Okay, so see that nut?
No.
There you go. You're gonna take the oil out of this engine and put new oil in.
Oh, it's when you make it go splooshy. Okay.
Correct.
Oh, is oil gonna spill out if I take this out?
There you go.
Nice.
Ah! Okay. Ah! Nope. Shit. Ew! Bam, it's too full. I need another. I thought it was a lid to an aerosol.
Be careful. That's really hot.
Oh, it is!
What's this? So do you have to filter it before?
Do I take it off?
Yeah, you gotta take it off. Might be kind of tough.
Take the old oil filter out.
Damn, correct.
Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. Yummy. Oh. Holy shit. Okay.
And then when you pop it off, it's gonna have oil in it. So
It's spilling in the driveway.
you
It's
just-
leaking really bad. It's really slippery. Where do I put this?
Nice.
Oh, that was hot.
I'm assuming we put this filter back on where we took the old filter off. You know what? When Kat and I went and got coffee, we should have looked up how to do it and then came back and just ruined your whole video.
You want to be careful that it goes on straight.
Put the oil in it. Oh, it's so clear. Okay.
Now, let me put the oil in.
Okay, and then I put it in here.
Yep.
Wait, why isn't it black? Plot twist, I'm just putting melted butter in my car.
New video for Ryan.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I keep it jacked and everything?
That's fine.
So this is low and that's full.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's full.
Okay, we just gotta let it run for a sec and let the oil circulate in the fly.
I feel really powerful because this car is so like aggressive.
You feel powerful, like just turning it on?
Yeah, it's like. Let's see if I'm a dipstick or not. There we go. I feel like that's wrong.
So yeah, you want to wipe that off and then stick it in again.
Wipe it off and stick it in again?
Yeah.
It's never safe.
All right. She full up. That's pretty good.
So I did it?
Yeah, you did it.
Nice.
Now we run the car.
Have you funded yet?
Nope.
That's probably good.
Yeah, it's probably good.
Oh.
Hey. It looks like I can't read that. What the fuck?
And then there's like a break in it right there.
It's rude.
Yeah, it's fine.
The brake?
Okay.
Okay.
I have some questions.
No, it was easier than I thought it would be.
Was it harder than I thought?
Yeah.
Like, did I think this was gonna be harder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. No.
Oh, wait.
The opposite.
It was easier than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was all, yeah.
I mean, I'd probably want someone. I'd want someone to watch me. Like, I'd probably ask you or like my dad to come over and help me do it.
I think I could do it again.
Yeah.
Sweet.
$85.
$53.99.
She paid for hers, so.
So yeah, this is an exception.
I'd say it's like $80 to do it this way, maybe.
I'm gonna say no because people are gonna fuck it up. If you don't know jack shit, don't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Jiffy Lube rips you off.
I mean, yeah. I typically drive a Toyota. I can't imagine they've changed it too much. And like they're supposed to be one of the most easiest cars to work on yourself. So I think I could probably do my own eventually if I had to. But again, don't think I'll ever need to.
Yeah. I feel really empowered. Why is everyone making me feel so uncomfortable? I'm glad that I can do it now. So like, I don't have to pay someone else to do it on my own car, hopefully.
Yes.
That's it.
Thanks.
Thank you. Farewell.
Farewell.
That's it. Thanks for watching our video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Maybe we'll do a couple more non-car people doing things because they're kind of fun to film, and you guys seem to like them. So, later.